Hello students, in today's class we will learn about the surcharge and marginal relief. Now we'll see what is this surcharge. Income tax surcharge is nothing but it is an additional tax. Income tax surcharge is nothing but it is an additional tax payable on the income tax by the taxpayer. So this is an surcharge is nothing but it is an additional tax a taxpayer has to pay to the government if he has a higher income during the particular financial year. So if he earn a income more than 50 lakh rupees, then he has to pay surcharge to the government. We have already learned this here, surcharge. If a assessee is having a income or if he earn a income more than 50 lakh, then he has to pay surcharge to the government. So the surcharge is added to the income tax at 10% if total income exceeds 50 lakh but not exceeds 1 crore. If total income exceeds 1 crore not exceeding 2 crore, then he has to pay 15% surcharge. If total income exceeds 2 crore but not exceeds 5 crore, then he has to pay 25% surcharge. And if total income exceeds 5 crore, then he has to pay 37% surcharge. So this surcharge is calculated on the income tax. It is calculated on the income tax. It is not calculated on the health and education cess. It is calculated on the tax excluding the health and education cess. So if an assessee earn more income, that is more than 50 lakh income, then he has to pay surcharge. Now we'll see what is this marginal relief. So marginal relief means it is a tax relief given to the taxpayer or assessee who pay high tax on their higher income. So when a taxpayer has high income, that is exceeding rupees 50 lakh, then he has to pay additional tax to the government. When a taxpayer has high income, if income exceeds rupees 50 lakh, then he has to pay additional tax to the government. So this additional tax is nothing but surcharge. So if a person or a taxpayer pays high surcharge, then marginal relief is given to him. So that is a tax relief given to the assessee. Marginal relief is nothing but it is a tax relief given to the assessee when the taxpayer pays high surcharge on their higher income. So marginal relief is nothing but tax relief given to the assessee or a taxpayer. Why this tax relief is given is if the amount of surcharge paid by the assessee, is more than increasing their income. If the amount of surcharge paid by a assessee is more than the amount of increase in his income, then it is unfair to levy high tax from that person. So marginal relief is given to them if they are paying high tax. With the example illustration, we will understand clearly what is this marginal relief. So marginal relief is nothing but it is a tax relief given to assessee whose total income exceeds marginally above 50 lakh or rupees 1 crore or rupees 2 crore or rupees 5 crore. So if a total income of an assessee exceeding 50 lakh, then he has to pay surcharge. When he pays surcharge means he has to pay additional tax to the government. So sometimes the additional tax paid by him might be more than the increase in his income compared to previous year income. So in such a case he can get a relief from tax, that is nothing but marginal relief. So if a minor increase in income, so there might be a small increase in income which exceeds the specified limit, that is exceeding the 50 lakh, there may be a minor increasing in his income which exceeds the specified limits. Specified limit means which exceeds the 50 lakh. So then he has to pay surcharge for exceeding 50 lakh till 1 crore means it is 10%. 10% surcharge he has to pay because of exceeding that 50 lakh limit. So, if a minor tax increase in income which exceeds the specified limit and increase the tax liability to huge extent. Income is increased with a small extent but increase in the tax liability in the huge extent. So in order to avoid this, in order to overcome from high payment of tax, huge payment of tax, marginal relief is given to assessee. Marginal relief is provided to ensure that the additional income tax payable, including surcharge on excess of income over 50 lakh, over exceeding 50 lakh, might be 1 crore, 2 crore or 5 crore, is limited to the amount by which income is more than the 50 lakh or 1 crore or rupees 2 crore or 5 crore. Is nothing but marginal relief provided to this assessee. Why the marginal relief is provided to assessee? To ensure that additional income tax what he pays along with the surcharge, it should be less, it should be limited to the amount by which income is more than 50 lakh. Should be less, tax paid should be less comparing to the increase in his income, increase in the income. That is, for example, we can take in one of the year, for example, we can take in one of the year, he earned rupees 50 lakh. In one of a previous year, might be 2018-19 year, he earned rupees 50 lakh. Means the income does not exceed 50 lakh. Income does not exceed 50 lakh. So he don't pay any surcharge. No surcharge here. So no surcharge is paid by him for income exceed because income is 50 lakh. It does not exceed 50 lakh. So no surcharge is paid by him. Only the normal tax. So that is up to 50 lakh income. He has to pay the tax according to the tax slab. So only that much he has paid but no surcharge. In the next financial year, that is 2019-20, he earned income around 51 lakh. He earned income around 51 lakh means it exceeds the 50 lakh. So here he has to pay surcharge. He has to pay surcharge. Firstly, he has to pay income tax according to the tax slab on this 51 lakh. Again, he has to pay surcharge. That is 10% surcharge he has to pay for this income. So here he has to pay additional tax to the government. If this increase in tax, so might be the, for example, we'll take the, when surcharge is calculated, it is around 1 lakh plus 1,30,000 like. So this is a surcharge he has to pay. But actually his income increased just 1 lakh. Actually his income is increased compared to previous year. Here his income is increased only to the extent of 1 lakh. But coming to surcharge, he has to pay more than increase in his income. That is 1,30,000 surcharge he has to pay. So in order to give a tax relief to the assessee, marginal relief is introduced. Understood? So that is what here, the amount of increase in tax should not exceed the amount of increase in his income. So that is what here it is said. So the concept of marginal relief is that the amount of increase in income tax should not be more than the amount of increase in income. Now we'll see how to compute this marginal relief. Computation of marginal relief. So the marginal relief is available in respect of surcharge only. It is not applicable to health and education cess. Means before adding health and education cess, we have to add surcharge and we have to provide marginal relief to them. Marginal relief is available in respect of surcharge only. So now we'll see what is the formula here. See the formula. Marginal relief is equal to calculated surcharge minus 70% into income minus 50 lakh. So if income exceeding 50 lakh up to 1 crore, then here we have to take 50 lakh. Calculated surcharge minus 70%. 70% is rate taken is because 70% of rate taken is because the income exceeding 50 lakh is taxed, income exceeding 10 lakh is taxed at 30%. So here that's why we are taking 70% here. Relief is given after deducting the 30% tax. So calculated surcharge minus 70% into income minus 50 lakh. So similar relief also provided where income exceeds 1 crore or 2 crore or 5 crore. In that case, above equation shall be changed accordingly. Means if total income exceeds 1 crore, then here we have to take income minus 1 crore. If total income exceeds 2 crore, then here we have to take income minus 2 crore. If total income exceeds 5 crore, then income minus 5 crore. Like that we have to change the formula. So now we'll see one of our illustration, example illustration. See the illustration. Compute the tax liability of Mr. Bhagat, aged 42 years, having total income of rupees 51 lakh for the assessment year 2020-21. Assume his total income comprised of salary income, income from house property and interest from saving bank account. So he is having only the salary income, house property income and interest received from saving bank account. So here his total income is 51 lakh and his age is 42 year. So he is aged below 60 years. So others case normal tax rate we have to provide, that is basic exemption for up to 2,50,000 0%, next 2,50,000 5%, next 5 lakh 20%, above 10 lakh 30% tax he has to pay. So since his total income exceeds 51 lakh, he has to pay surcharge. So we'll see how to compute the surcharge, and how to give a marginal relief to him. Let's write the heading computation of tax liability of Mr. Bhagat for the assessment year 2020-21 if he is aged below 60 years, that is aged 42 years. So here in this question there is no long term capital gain, short term capital gain or winning from lottery is given. He is having only salary income, income from house property and interest from saving bank account. So there is no special income to give tax at special rate. So directly we have to, on a total income we have to apply the tax slab. So that is his total income how much? 51 lakh. He is aged below 60 years. So first 2,50,000 for first 2,50,000 0%, that is nil or exempt. Secondly, next 2,50,000 income, he has to pay 5% tax, that is 12,500. Next 5 lakh income, he has to pay 20% tax, so it comes to 1 lakh. Next above 10 lakh he has to pay, next above 10 lakh he has to pay 30%. So his total income how much? 51 lakh. So 51 lakh means above 10 lakh means here we have to deduct this 10 lakh, that is 2,50,000 minus 2,50,000 minus 5 lakh. So it comes to 50 lakh. Sorry, 41 lakh. 10 lakh is over, so it comes to 41 lakh. 51 lakh minus 10 lakh, it is 41 lakh. So on this 41 lakh, he has to pay 30%. So 41 lakh into 30% is equal to 12 lakh 30,000. 12 lakh 30,000. So now total it 12,500 plus 1 lakh plus 12 lakh 30,000 is equal to 13 lakh 42,500. 13 lakh 42,500. So next we have to add surcharge. Here there is no tax rebate. Since total income exceeds 5 lakh, tax rebate is not given. So directly we have to provide surcharge. Add surcharge here. We have to add surcharge. So surcharge is given how much? Exceeding 51 lakh, exceeding 50 lakh. So 50 lakh to 1 crore surcharge is 10%. So that is surcharge at 10% we have to give. Surcharge is given at 10% on this duty. Surcharge at 10%. So how to calculate? 13 lakh 42,500 into 10%. That is 1 lakh 34,250. 1 lakh 34,250. So if you add 13 lakh 42,500 plus 1 lakh 34,250, it will be 14 lakh 76,750. Okay. Next, we have to give marginal relief to him. Marginal relief. Okay. So this marginal relief we have to calculate as per formula. So write working note here. So that we have to calculate. So after marginal relief, we will get one value. Next we have to add health and education cess. So balance is, the total is tax liability. So before that, now let us take the formula. What is the formula for marginal relief calculation? Calculated surcharge minus 70% into income minus 50 lakh. So take the write the working note. So computation of marginal relief. So what is the formula for marginal relief? Calculated surcharge minus 70% into income minus 50 lakh into my income minus 50 lakh. So we will take marginal relief equal to calculated surcharge. How much? Calculated surcharge. See the surcharge 1,34,250. 1,34,250 is a surcharge. 1,34,250 is a surcharge minus 70% we have to take. That is nothing but 70 by 100 into total income. How much? His total income is 51 lakh minus 50 lakh. Limit is 50 lakh here. That is income exceeding 50 lakh. Less than 1 crore. So here we have to take 50 lakh. So now write 1,34,250 minus 70 divided by 100 into 1 lakh. So now it comes to 0 0 cancel. 70 into 1000 is equal to 70,000. 1,34,250 minus 70,000. So it comes to 64,250. 64,250 relief he can get. So that is actually he has to pay 1,34,250 tax. So he can get a relief up to 64,250. So that we have to deduct from his tax. 14,76,750 minus 64,250, that is 14,12,500. On this we have to add 4%. So that comes to 56,500. It will be 14,69,000. See, when he is having 51 lakh income, he has to pay 14,69,000 tax to the government. See here, actually his income is just increased to 51 lakh. Like previous example, I told the example, in the previous year, in the previous financial year, he had 50 lakh income. At that time, he has not paid any surcharge. Not paid surcharge means he has paid till, not paid surcharge means he has not paid this value. And the income is here 40 lakh, 30%. Here also he paid less tax and he has not paid this tax. So around 1,50,000 less tax he has paid. 1,50,000 less tax in case of income earned 50 lakh. When he earned income just 1 lakh more, he is happy that he earned 1 lakh more compared to previous year. But while coming to the matter of filing income tax, he has to pay tax 1,34,250 surcharge only because he earned a 1 lakh extra income. So the income is exceeded 1 lakh, but his tax is more than 1 lakh. So it is a big pain to him. So in order to give a benefit to the taxpayer, Income Tax Department has given a marginal relief to the assessee. So up to 64,250 relief he can receive for this surcharge. So that is what we calculated here. Understood? So ultimately he has to pay tax 14,69,000 to his income 51 lakh for this assessment year 2020-21.